Hey guys. Welcome back. This is new react of Game of Thorns. To YouTube. This is gonna be my preview video for the Game of Thrones Season 6. Episode 4. I'll have a link in the description for the promo clip, go check it out. So spoiler alert for everything happened so far, and here we go. The official title and episode 4 is Book of the Stranger. The title is both intriguing and confusing. It is hard to figure out what could it mean for the episode. Hearing Insan in The Little Princess are some of the characters comes to my mind when I hear the words books, because these are some of the characters who read a lot on the show. Okay, now let's take a look at the word stranger. Believers of the faith of the Seven consider stranger as their god to be one with 7 aspects. The stranger is an exception in that he is viewed in a negative light, with worshippers rarely praying to him. The stranger represents death in the end and leads the dead to the other world. Well, so far the characters who have returned from the dead has confirmed that there are no other side. There is nothing at all. Whilst referred to as male, the guide is neither male nor female. The stranger's face has been described as half human, concealed beneath the hood and mantle. Now this theory might be crazy, and I don't know how much is this true. The characteristics and appearance of the stranger. Well, to Lady Stillheart and the Hound. Well, you might have heard about the Gravedigger theory, which claims the Hound is still alive and living on a small island in Riverlands, which is inhabited by the Brothers of the Faith. Of the 7 who have made vows of silence, the only person who is allowed to speak in the island is the elder brother, who is rumored to be played by Ian McShane. My character really like an axe warriors become a peacenik, so I had this group of peaceful, sort of like a cult, peaceful tribe who have brought back. I bring back a much loved character everybody think is dead, so I live in the wild. Lady Stoneheart represents Steph, aka Gravedigger, leads the dead to rest in peace. Both of them will concealed beneath the hood, just like the stranger. It's a traditional dress for the brothers in the island. The only thing you can see them is their eyes. Lady Stoneheart can't speak because of the wound in her throat, and the Hound won't talk because of his vow of silence. He is only allowed to speak when he confesses his sins, and the fun fact is the name of his horse is Stranger than it is with him on the island's Silent Sisters are sometimes referred to as the stranger's wives. They dress in grey and keep their faces covered except for their eyes. Please don't get confused with the Septas. If you remember correctly, in episode 1 we've seen the Silent Sisters perform at the funeral of the Hand of the King. Arrives Castle Black, but her cousin Jon has already left. The Onion Knight might explain the things happened so far in Helper to refresh. In Winterfell, Ramsay will write the infamous pink letter to Lord Commander Jon Snow with a lot of abusing integrating words. She is going to demand Sansa Stark back, and he'll include about written star to threaten. Littlefinger got a message that Santa has escaped Winterfell, and he knows that she won't safe with the Balkans after. I don't understand why he says all this. Too little. Robin has the training really improved him anyway. Littlefinger will march to the north with Army of the Vale and arrives Iron Islands, and his sister is not happy to see him again because things didn't go well last time. She tried to save him from Ramsay, but he refused to go with her, assuming the rescue mission may be one of Randy's tricks to torture him again. She is still not ready to forgive him. In King's Landing, Marjorie has confessed her sins. In the teaser, she confronts Loras Tyrell, the House Sparrow told that she will be allowed to see her brother only after she confessed. Cersei tries to use this chance to work with the Tyrell. She threatens them Marjorie will repent % before the city like she did the Trails don't want it to happen, so Jaime Lerner Terrell and hundreds of soldiers rally against the House Sparrow to release the Queen. The religious Orman is so brilliant that he'll present Marjorie as a converted woman in the king as a follower of the faith of the Seven. Keeping the king and queen under his control gives him more advantage. He can easily manipulate them according to his wish. In Marine, Tyrion meets the former slave masters. They asked when will Dany return, which he replies soon. The synopsis says Tyrion strikes a deal. It could be an agreement with the